Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're new over here, please click on the subscribe button below. First and foremost today, I would like to thank you to all my friends on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn for helping me out and acknowledging my YouTube channel, which has so far received up to 500 subscribers. Thank you again guys. Today we're gonna talk about how to start a vlogging setup with only 70 ringgit Malaysian or equivalent to 17 USD. As an introduction today, I am going to introduce to you all the 4 main items. Alright, so this particular item is going to cost you a budget of almost 70 ringgit Malaysia. So if you're going to start your own vlogging setup, I believe this will be your minimal charges to your budget. Okay guys, technically we have came across variety of different setup. So this is considered as the minimal budget setup. Let's check out the item that I have proposed to introduce to all of you. Okay guys, so this is the flexible tripod. Okay, so this flexible tripod is quite huge. I am currently using this on my mirrorless camera, but it is quite sturdy, so I'm recommending you guys to head out and buy this as your flexible tripod. Okay, the reason why is because this is flexible and it can be bent. Okay, it can be adjusted and the grip feels good. Okay, the grip feels good. Technically this item could be bought online. Say you're in Malaysia currently, it could be bought in Lazada or Shopee or any other shops that you come across. This item will only cost you around 30 ringgit Malaysian. Alright, let's head to the next item. So this is a phone holder. Okay, so well, this phone holder can be expanded to suit different types of phone. So this phone holder has a pinhole over here which could be connected to the tripod. Say you have a smaller tripod than the previous one, it could still be connected. It's either you can be connecting it from the back or the sideways. This phone holder is going to cost you around only Malaysian ringgit of 4. So I don't think this will be a problem because this is quite important when you're going to connect your phone. Okay, let's head out to the next item that I'm going to introduce. This is a microphone. It's called a lavalier microphone. Okay, so this microphone is going to clip to your shirt and it's going to be connected to your phone. Alright, so you can check out on the link above on my previous video regarding this microphone. I am recommending this microphone is because number 1, it is quite cheap. Number 2, it is quite small. And number 3, because it's very easy to use. This microphone can be directly plugged into any types of phone. Okay, and also for your information, this microphone only costs you around Malaysian ringgit of RM30. This could be bought directly from Lazada or Shopee or any retail shops out there. Okay guys, let's get to the final item that I'm going to introduce to you all. Alright guys, so this is called a smartphone selfie light. Okay, so I'm quite new to this item. Okay, I came across this on my online Shopee. Once I came across this, I was thinking that this might be handy if you're gonna vlog directly in front of the camera. Okay, the selfie ring light has 3 types of brightness. I presume that this will be the lowest, this is the medium, and this is the highest. Depending on your preferable, you can be adjusting this to the lowest, the medium, or the highest. Okay, now let's assemble all these items into a phone. This setup today is going to be done using a handphone. I believe the smartphone can be used for our vlogging setup. Okay guys, let's head over and set it up. Okay, currently I've set up the device. I am using my iPhone 5s, which I have already kept in my cupboard, but I've taken it out. This is the selfie ring. This is the phone. This is the phone holder. This is the tripod, the flexible tripod. This is the lavalier microphone connected to my shirt, and this will be our basic setup. Okay, so let's head over to the setup and check it out over here. Currently, I'm using the front camera as my vlogging setup.
Okay guys, so currently I'm using my vlogging setup on the iPhone 5s using my flexible tripod, my phone holder, the lavalier microphone, and also the selfie ring light. So I come across the fact that this is quite a good setup. The entire video is quite good, and I think this will be quite useful for those who intend to begin their vlogging setup. Okay,
so this is me vlogging using the table. Okay, so
I don't see any problem with this setup, so you can always vlog from your table as well. My point here is whatever that will make you comfortable. So vlogging needs you to be a bit comfortable, so this is quite important over here. Currently I'm using the setup coming from the front of the camera, so let's try the setup coming from the back of the camera. So this setup is coming directly from the back of the iPhone camera. Okay, so just as a reminder, I'm using my iPhone 5s, and I believe that if you're gonna use a better phone, a better version, or a brand new phone, or a phone that is technically still new in the market, I believe that your video clarity will be much better. Okay, so it is quite a simple setup, and I think it is quite a budget setup. Spending around Malaysian ringgit of 70, it is quite useful for this kind of setup. This, in a way, will allow you to start your own vlogging videos. Okay guys, so I've shared to you today on how to start your vlogging setup with only Malaysian ringgit of 70.
Okay guys, so we have checked out the setup on how to start vlogging with only RM70. So this flexible tripod is the first item that you're going to get out and get. Okay, then on the second item, we're going to get the phone holder. Okay, this phone holder is quite flexible, as you can see. Okay, and it can suit variety type of phone. I'm excluding the fact that this could fit on an iPad, so this is specially designed for phones. The third item that you're gonna get is the lavalier microphone. Okay, the reason is because this is quite cheap, it is usable, the sound clarity is good, and this is quite small. Okay, the fourth item that you're gonna get is selfie ring. Okay, so this selfie ring has 3 types of brightness coming from the lowest, the mid, and the highest. Okay, last but not least, always remember the most important possession to your vlogging setup will be your smartphone. In this scenario, I'm just using my iPhone 5s. Earlier, we have came across our vlogging setup using this phone. Alright guys, so remember, Malaysian ringgit of 70 plus a phone will always kickstart your vlogging journey. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I'll be coming back for more videos. If you are new over here, please click on the subscribe button below. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys again. Ciao.